Hello everybody, welcome to AUTOSURGEON. If you haven't watched my previous videos yet, I'll leave a link above. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon to get notified for latest videos.
The Hyundai Verna competes in a segment that is full of very worthy competitors, with the Honda City and the Maruti Ciaz doing significant sales numbers and still finding favor with buyers. So the Verna has its task cut out. Apart from the usual tweaks inside and out, the 2020 Verna gets a new face and is now a connected car. Judged against the old Verna, the new model comes across as a far superior product. It's better built, even more refined, and comes packed with the latest of goodies and then some. The competitive Hyundai Verna price, moreover, has helped its case, but Hyundai has also made sure that it has a Verna for every sort of mid-size sedan buyer with numerous variants. On the outside, the Hyundai Verna gets an all-new design. The patterns are similar to that of its elder sibling Elantra, though there are enough design cues to tell the two apart. The newly designed hexagonal chrome-lined grille gets horizontal slats, and the air dam coupled with honeycomb mesh grille will be the first to catch your attention. The sleek and swept-backed headlamps with a triple vertical layout and projector headlamps and LED DRLs do lend an expensive look to the front. It also gets updated front bumpers featuring fog lamps in triangular housings at either ends. Moving to the side profile, the new Verna features a clean and simple design. The standout features on the side profile are the stylish 16-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels and the shoulder lines running across the length of the sedan and ending at the tail lights. You also get chrome finishes on the window belt line and on the outside door handles too. The rear profile also carries forward the same simplistic design. The rear comes with wraparound LED tail lamps along with a new rear bumper and a redesigned boot lid as well. On the inside, the Hyundai Verna carries forward the curves and right from the dashboard, which has contours to accentuate the fluidic sculpture design philosophy, to the infotainment system, to the rear of the cabin, where each line is carefully carved out to bring out elegance. The new Verna comes with a premium dual-tone interior with a host of features and equipment. The dashboard is well laid out and features soft-touch materials all around. The turbo variant comes with a blackened out cabin with red contrast stitching, adding sporty appeal to its interiors. The 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility comes as a standard feature across all variants. The Archimedes premium sound system helps to indulge in the superior sound quality and is a perfect companion for your long drives. You get a digital MID cluster equipped with 10.67 cm color TFT display. The steering comes coupled with multimedia controls and cruise controls as well. Automatic climate control, wireless charging and ventilated seats further adds to the comfortness of the Verna. You do get electric sunroof from the SX variant as well. At the rear, you get dedicated AC vents along with USB charging ports. To add luxury to the rear passengers, you also get center armrests with cup holders too. The intelligent smart trunk is first in segment feature, which comes quite handy when you decide to go on a shopping spree. This is the 1.5-liter MPI petrol engine with iVT transmission that churns out a power of 115 PS at 6300 rpm and has a peak torque output of 144 Nm at 4500 rpm. Being an iVT, the gear shifts are unnoticeable and there is no shift shocks as well. The torque offered ensures you that you just have to put your foot down whenever you need to get out of a tricky situation. The handling is smooth and the NVH levels are extremely controlled and one cannot hear anything from the outside even while driving or being chauffeured around. The smooth ride is taken care of by McPherson strut with coil springs at the front and coupled torsion beams axle at the rear. The all-new Hyundai Verna is loaded with plenty of safety features as well, like ABS with EBD, dual airbags and rear parking sensors as standard features. The higher variants get 6 airbags, front parking sensors, tire pressure monitoring system, electronic stability control, vehicle stability management and hill start assist control as well. For prices starting from 11.42 to 17.53 lakhs, the Verna is perfectly your value for money car. Altogether, the Hyundai Verna facelift is a popular sedan offering in the Indian market. It combines strong performance with premiumness, making it an attractive executive sedan offering in the segment. For inquiries, bookings and test drives, and to even crack some great deals, do contact Blue Hyundai, Mysore Road, Bangalore.